Hi y'all, this is Red Wings 10531, and today's gonna be a funny video for you all. It's where McGee takes over the world on anvils, and when they don't cooperate, he eases at them and blows them up with his ease inside of them. So here it goes. Hi guys, it's me, McGee here. I just want you to come upstairs with me. Not going upstairs. Yes, you are going upstairs, because I'm making you. If you don't, I'm going to blow your place down, anvils. Oh. He wants to blow our place up, does he? Okay, we'll come with you. Good. You better come with us. You better come with me now. Because I'm going upstairs whether you want to or not. I guess we gotta go with him, guys. He's gonna blow us up with our place inside of him. So, McGee, you want to take over our world, do you? You want to take over our world? Yes, I do want to take over your world. Well, Fatty, ain't gonna happen. Because we're not coming upstairs with you. Yes, you are. Because I like walking upstairs. And you better come with me now. I don't think so, Fatty. Yeah, I don't think so, Fatty. 'Cause it ain't gonna happen. Get ready for my Lottie then. And be destroyed by my ease. Oh god, he's gonna Eve right now. He's gonna blow us up with him. Oh god. Well, there you have it. I blew them up, took over their planet, and made them get destroyed. And never gonna see them again. Nope, not ever gonna see them again. Yeah. So, they didn't come upstairs with me, so I blew them up anyway. With my Loudy. You're inside of me. Well, this is Red Wings 10531. And I hope you enjoyed that video. I mean, making up stuff to go for a video idea. Actually, it was a video that I just came up with. So, hope you enjoyed that video because it was funny, silly, and yeah, he blew up their base because they didn't come upstairs with him, and it was funny because I sure laughed there a bit. So, yeah. Alright. Peace. Rock on. Bye.